These strange birds actually exist. Most unique birds in the world. But like and subscribe if this smile is cute. This is the Magnificent Frigatebird. It blows up a huge red balloon on its chest to attract females like nature's version of flexing. Meet the Long-Wattled Umbrellabird, that weird thing hanging from its neck. It uses it to impress mates. And this ancient-looking creature is the Northern Bald Ibis, once thought extinct, but now fighting its way back.